Hello everyone, welcome back on our YouTube channel Wear Waves, where you get the latest trends and beautiful dress designs. So friends, if you are visiting our channel Wear Waves for the first time, then make sure you subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications of our videos. So let's start the video. So friends, in this video I'm gonna show you the different types of palazzo where you wear in different events, in casual wear, in office wear. Hope you like. I try my best to show you the very beautiful and latest designs. So friends, there is a humble request for you. Please watch this video till end and share this video to your family and friends so that they will also have an idea about this kind of latest and beautiful designs. And if you want your dress designs to be made into a video according to your preference, then please comment me in the comment section below, and also comment me which design you like the most. Thank you so much. Hope you like this video.